Replicate objects between buckets, whether within the same region or across different regions. To set up object replication, sign in to your iDrive E2 account. Go to the Object Replication tab and click Create Replication Job. Enter a description. Select the source and destination regions and buckets. Customize settings for replicating only new objects, syncing deleted objects, object lock configurations, or source object dates and tags. Apply prefixes or object tags to specify which objects to replicate. Click Create to initiate the replication job. To manage your replication job, hover over the desired job in the Object Replication tab and select Delete, Pause, Resume, or Edit icons.